This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today, I'm going to give you 3 reasons to use Google Contacts right now. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So the 3 reasons basically are, it integrates with Gmail. So I'm looking at the main Google Contacts screen, but if you go to Gmail, on the right side of the page, you'll see an icon that says Contacts. If you click on that, you can see that the Contacts pops out. And even better, if you start typing in their name into the search field, you can start to email them right away. So it's a very convenient feature for Gmail. The second reason why Google Contacts is such an important tool for me is it integrates with your iPhone or your Android phone. If it's an Android phone, it's easier because it's operated by Google and Google kind of integrates everything automatically. If you have an iPhone, if you make the default account on your iPhone set up to be using Gmail, all of the contacts you create on your iPhone will start to be added to Gmail, which is a huge, huge feature. And this makes it possible, for instance, when I'm adding a new contact on my iPhone, later on when I want to look them up in Google Contacts, they'll show up when I use the search field here. And then the final tip that I have here, the final reason to use Google Contacts, is basically Google Contacts becomes like a database of people and companies, and it's like an extension of your memory. And it's more powerful than your memory because oftentimes if you have thousands of contacts, you can't remember who everybody is, but you remember something about them. And if you know how to edit the contacts, you can basically make it a really useful searchable database of your contacts. And let me give you an example right now. Like, let's say that my heat pump breaks down and I need somebody to come and take a look at it. What I could do is I could search for heat pump. And you can see Friedman and Sons boiler repair. And basically why this person showed up is because on the notes field, I added a whole bunch of keywords down there. Plumber, plumbing, heating, heater, heat pump, spigot. So if I search, I knew that if I search for those later on, sometimes years later, this entry will show up and then I'll be able to contact them very quickly. So it's kind of like a database of people and companies to basically to add keywords like that or to add other information such as a URL or a birthday. You click edit, you go down, and then you can find the notes field here. If you don't see a field you're looking for, click the show more button and you can add a related person, website, significant date, etc. I hope this video helped, and if it did, please take a moment to like it and follow me. More information in the description and show notes. Thank you so much for watching.